class 8 and 9. We are presenting a drama about Mananiya Ekanath life incidents. In the role of Ekanaji, Yeshwant.
Namaste.
For the role of Ekanaji's mother, Chandana. In the role of Sri Humayun Kabir and brother Gagan.
Namaste.
In the role of Lal Bahadur Shastri Manjunath.
Namaste.
In the role of advisor and principal Sagar.
Namaste.
In the role of dignitary 1 Tilak. In the role of dignitary 2 Rajendra. In the role of Dr. Srishant. In the role of sister-in-law Swati P. In the role of Professor Arun. In the role of Mr. Sairaj. In the role of Mujaddar Mithun. In the role of Vakshavastara Darshan K.S. Let's start the drama.
Mananiya Ekanath was the eighth kid in his family. His father was a strict disciplinarian. He turned out to be a hard-working, disciplined and able-bodied youth. When in school, once his sister fell ill.
She is suffering from fever. The temperature is not coming down. We need some ice to keep on her forehead.
I will drink ice right now.
But where will we get it?
In the factory, I will go.
The factory is far away. Beside it is very warm. Out there is in afternoon.
Don't be worried, mother. I will manage it.
Who is brought such big blocks? There must have been any.
Smaller ice cube could melt very fast in the hot sun. So that I brought a big block of ice. Don't be worried, mother. It is easy to bring.
In this way, his sister suffered. After completing his school, he was living with his elder brother. You have scored very good marks. I think you can seek admission to engineering.
Engineering. I am not at all interested in becoming engineer.
If you become engineer, you will get respectable job and high salary, rich life. And I brought books for you.
No, Anna. I want to become Swayam Sevak of RSS. To study philosophy, I want to join BA college.
That is your.
Thank you.
He sought admission for BA. The books bought by his brother were expensive and all the money was wasted. In his college, Bible class was compulsory.
Excuse me, sir. Vedanta preaches Dvaita only. It begins with Dvaita. It is easy for every common people to concentrate on a single idol. Thank you, sir.
Rosely answered every anti-Hinduism propaganda. He clarified the signs and rules in the Hindu structures. Those were misconstrued, so Bible flags became Ekanaji flags once the principals called him.
May I come in, sir?
Come in.
Did he call to me?
Yes. Considering your vast knowledge of scriptures, management decided you to exempt from Bible classes.
Thank you, sir. But I could love to attend it because I want to know what has been told in Bible.
As you wish, you can attend the classes.
Thank you, sir.
Not only Ekanathji was proud of his own religion, but also he showed a lot of respect towards other religions and was also curious to know about them. After getting the degree, Mananiya Ekanathji began to work for the RSS, but misfortune struck one after other. His brother passed away. Economic condition deteriorated. The responsibility of the family came on Ekanathji's shoulder one day.
I know that the responsibility of my family is on my shoulder. Children are still studying. I have to take care of my nephews. You are like a mother to me. You only please tell what should I do. If you ask me to come home, I will leave all works of RSS and come back home without any argument.
Nation stands before the family. All the families will survive if the nation survives. India needs youths like you to work for it. You don't worry about us. I will wash and clean for the other people. You continue your work as country needs you.
Thank you.
God bless you.
He joined RSS and also successfully made some economic arrangements for his family. The discussion about choosing a capable person for the construction of Rock Memorial was going on.
Is there anyone under your observation who may take this difficult task?
Only one person can do it.
And who is it?
Eknathji Ranade.
Very nice.
But first we will ask him. If he agrees, then only it may be.
Ekanathji Center.
You are already aware of this problem in construction of Rock Memorial.
We will request you to take the responsibility of Rock Memorial.
Before I taking my word, I want to know about first condition. Then only I will wish to consent it.
So, as you feel right.
Thank you, sir.
Ekanathji accepted the responsibility. The first officer was Sri Bhaktavasalam, the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu.
In my lifetime, I will see that construction of Rock Memorial does not take place.
When Humayun Kabir of Bengal expressed his opposition for the construction, Mananiya Ekanathji published this in all the newspapers of Bengal. The people of Bengal reacted very strongly as Swami Vivekananda was an extremely venerated figure in Bengal. Mr. Humayun Kabir calls Mananiya Ekanath.
SG?
I am not against the construction of rock memorial, but the sure anybody is nothing is anything construct on shore, the beauty of shore will reduce. This is my general opinion, but I am not against the construction.
Thank you, sir.
In both Ekanathji and Sujit Dutt.
Sujit, can you see anything on the rock?
No, there is nothing.
Okay, see again. Can you see anything on the rock?
No, Eknathji, nothing is there. Did you see anything?
Yes, I am seeing the grand memorial of Swami Vivekananda.
At Delhi.
Ekanathji,
Yes,
your idea of seeking permissions of central government is nice. Looks very nice, but it is not so easy. Every party wants to protect its vote bank. Don't be in a hurry. Wait for a while. Have a patience.
as you say, I will wait. But at least, please you send to collect signatures of MPs.
How many signatures do you will collect? Go ahead.
Thank you, sir.
Ekanathji immediately brought his plan into action. He met the heads of all the parties, then he went to the respective party members.
In the time of 3 days, Mananiya Ekanathji collected about 382 signatures. Then he went to Lal Bahadur Shastri.
What? You collected the signature? I can't believe it.
Now please leave us to start the work.
Go and take the rest. Rest of the work I will do. How the rock memorial will be a reality.
Thank you, sir.
One of the senior-most MPs, Shri A.K. Ane, forwarded the draft with the signature to the PM. Then Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru announced the consent of the government to the rock memorial. But this was just the beginning. The biggest problem was to collect money. He began to visit people to collect donations at Gila Street.
How much amount do you think you will collect with this 1 rupee stamps? Construction of the temple is our job. I will do it single-handedly.
No, sir. I do not wanted this memorial to be known after one person. I wish the common Indians should participate as per their capacity, so that you give 1 lakh donation from.
I don't think you will collect so much amount. I will give you just 10,000 rupees.
India's biggest merchant like you can definitely give 1 lakh rupees. But at the moment, you give 10,000 rupees. And let me tell to the people that you have promised to give 1 lakh rupees. After sufficient collection of money, you pay remaining amounts. Will it be alright?
Okay, no problem.
Thank you, sir.
slowly, Rock Memorial became a reality. But Ekanaji did not want it to be only a memorial. He wanted Swamiji's thought to reach every home in India. So the idea of Vivekananda Kendra came to his mind. He started Vivekananda Kendra in the year 1972. The workers were sent to Northeast and Vivekananda Kendra Vidyalaya were established in Assam and Arunachal Pradesh. The constant work and extensive travelling took toll on his health. Once while he was ill and lost memory.
Do you know him?
No.
Show him Swamiji photograph.
Do you know him?
Yes, it is me.
Mananiya Ekanaji had become the epitome of Swamiji. Once while he was suffering from IBP.
Let me check.
Surprising. The machine show your BP is normal, but another machine showing your BP is more.
If machine is do not showing any serious problem, then I will keep working for the nation.
Okay.
In this way, the God wanted him to work. Despite losing his initial memory power, he tried to re-attain it by trying reminding the names of the camp participants. Thus, he always kept working until his death.